Dive into the crucial first week of your new job with our U.C.C.A. InstaLearn Essential course, 6 tips for your first week on the job. This course is a roadmap to making a stellar first impression, setting the tone for your future at the company. From saying hello to coworkers and setting yourself up for success, to understanding company culture and your manager's expectations, we've got you covered. Learn the significance of seeking a mentor and the art of learning from others, ensuring your integration is seamless and impactful. This course is designed not just to help you survive, but to thrive, laying a solid foundation for your career growth. Join us to unlock the secrets to a successful first week, boosting your confidence and career trajectory from day one.